Brendan, the deceased. We as a family are deeply disappointed by today's verdict. We believe there has been a serious lack of accountability from Cork County Council, Ironman and Triathlon Ireland. We are especially distressed that representatives of these organisations were not compelled to attend the inquest to give evidence, denying our legal team the opportunity to seek the answers our family deserved. For us, the process was not only about understanding how Brendan lost his life, but also ensuring lessons were learned to help prevent another family experiencing this heartbreak. Sadly, we feel that opportunity has been missed. We are also disappointed that no meaningful recommendations were made on safety measures or oversight to reduce the risk of future tragedies at events like this. We had hoped for a leadership, courage and a willingness to address the wider issues raised, but we leave feeling let down. While today's verdict ends this stage of the process, it does not bring closure for our family. We will continue to carry Brendan's loss forever, honour his memory every day, and continue to hope that meaningful change will come from this tragedy, so other families may be spared this pain. And finally, 2 accidents in 10 minutes is no accident. Thank you very much.